Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Thread app in Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Play Store. Now in the search bar, you have to search for Thread app. Here you can see Threads. You have to install this. Now open this. After installing your app, you have to create a channel, then you can use it. That's it. So this is how to install Threads app in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.